How to set nickname in Instagram chat. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can set the nickname in Instagram chat. So setting a nickname for someone in Instagram chat can help you to personalize your conversation. Here's the process how you can do that. First of all, launch your Instagram app on your device, and after that you have to access the direct message. You have to tap on the paper plane icon which is on the top right corner of the screen, or the messenger icon depending on your type of the version of your Instagram, and you have to tap on that to open up your message. Once you are here, you have to tap on the chat with that person that you want to set or nickname. So once you are here, you have to just tap on the username at the top of the chat screen, or you can tap on the person username or profile picture to open their profile here. Once you are here, you have to just go for the more option and look for the option of nickname. So if this option isn't visible, you might need to tap on the three dot or the menu icon here. So there is no any option of setting the nickname on your Instagram. So here you have to just go back. Once you are here, you have to tap on your profile icon and go for the hamburger option. Scroll down, and here you have to tap on the help center and go for the report or problem, and tap on a report or problem. And just go for the include and continue, and you have to briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So you have to just write, I'm not able to say your nickname in Instagram chat. Please help me to fix it. And go for the send icon here. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily fix that. You can easily set your username. You can easily set your nickname on your Instagram chat. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.